Today on Libertas video, we're going to be talking about resources for your Eivor cosplay, if that's something that you're interested in doing. Welcome to Libertas Video, the channel dedicated to encouraging, entertaining, and inspiring you through costume and prop builds and reviews. Today we're going to be getting you some resources so you can start off your Eivor cosplay if you're jumping right into it. Right now it's before the game has been released, so there's just a few here that I have right for you at the start. However, once the game releases and if the Eivor is an awesome character, I'm sure there's going to be a lot more people out there cosplaying and wanting to do this as well. So this might get updated going forward. So anyway, we're going to dive right into it. First one is going to be Ubisofts Reference, of course, because they have the most detailed examples of what they're putting in their game. And that's the Cosplay Reference Guide or Creative Reference, Creative Resource. Whatever it is, I know I've covered it in a previous video, but there is going to be a link in the description below. Access the Animus has already posted some of those pictures, so I'll probably put a link there as well. It's of the Eivor female costume. However, the male costume is exactly the same, and they just switched out the head. So you can see all the buckles, the details, everything you need to make this costume legit. It's right there. Another resource out there for you is Cree Cosplay. Now, he is a YouTuber here on the platform. Of course, by the name, you can tell he does Assassin's Creed cosplays, and so he's done some detailed videos on what has gone into some of his processes, but he's doing a detailed series on making his Eivor cosplay. So I would definitely go check that out. A lot of good information there. I'm personally interested in his hidden blade design using magnets and string. Pretty ingenious technique, and so I'd be interested in trying it out myself. But definitely go check out his channel when you get the chance. Also, there's another YouTuber, a little bit more well known if you're into cosplay, Odin Makes. He does a lot of props and replicas from TV shows, movies, and games. And of course, he already went ahead and did the Eivor axes from Assassin's Creed Valhalla. So definitely go check out his channel. He's got such good information on how he completes his builds, and I've gleaned a lot of information from his videos in the past. But that's going to do it for specifically Eivor stuff. I know that there's probably going to be more, and if you know of more Eivor cosplayers out there who are detailing their processes, let me know in the comment section below and maybe I'll do an updated video. Some additional resources out there, of course. I am a big proponent of pushing Punish Props Academy as well as Evil Ted Smith. I'll put links in the description below. They're just really good at making, foam, cosplay, props, costumes, everything, So definitely go check out their channel. It's really good if you want to get into cosplay as well because they provide so much detailed information. And then another small little tidbit, if you want to jump right into it, is a video series done by Adam Savage and his team for Tested. They did an interview with a group that was making For Honor costumes, so another Ubisoft game, but these costumes that they were going to make for the promotional pieces at, I believe, E3. So they go through the whole process of showing how they weather costumes and stuff like that. So really, really cool, really good for inspiration. So definitely go check that out. Once again, all of this information will be linked in the description below. So hopefully if you're super psyched about going to making an Eivor cosplay or any cosplay in general, I guess, go check out these videos and you'll be on your way. Like I said, might update this video going forward, and definitely let me know in the comment section below if you found more resources that would be helpful to others. That's going to do it for this particular video. We'll see you on the next Libertas video.